We've heard before, our health is our greatest wealth. I will tell you, not only is it your greatest wealth, you may think you can buy it back, but you can't. Too many people work all of their life for wealth and they forget about their health. But a big part of wealth is health. And that means simply eating the right foods. That's a choice. We get to choose. Every time you eat something, you need to look at that and go, I choose to eat this. Is it junk? I heard this years ago. It said, is it cleansing or is it clogging? Now, maybe that will stick in your mind like it did me, but that one statement helped change my life because when I look at something, and I still eat it sometimes, don't get me wrong. I have the cheat days and all of this, but today at my age, I'm stronger than I've ever been before. I feel like I'm more mentally fit and physically fit, and you can't win physically if you're losing mentally, and you can't win mentally if you're losing physically. You have to take charge of your physical health if you're ever going to take control of your life at the highest level. If you're ever going to bring about that next version of you, that highest version of you, if you're ever going to start living in that sweet spot of success, that destiny zone that you were put on this earth here to become. You can't win physically if you're losing mentally. You can't win mentally if you're losing physically. Start eating the right foods. As a matter of fact, right now, you could go to ChatGPT today and literally punch in what is the perfect diet plan for me, my age, my weight, my height, my this and that to get me to wherever it is I want to be. You got to know where it is you want to be, but frankly, you just got to make small steps daily because small steps daily lead to giant differences in results. You're not going to change your physical health overnight. You're not going to change any of these things overnight, but if you start taking small daily steps, you're going to see giant leaps over a period of time. The same thing on exercise. Start moving your body. Movement creates more movement. Action creates more action. A body at rest stays at rest, but a body in motion will start to stay in motion, and you're going to increase your endorphins. If you'll just get out and walk around the block, your endorphins go up. If you will get out and sweat a little bit, you're going to create more energy there, and your cells are going to start moving in your body at a faster pace, and they're going to feel better about you, and you're going to be in tune. You're going to get a tune up there. You're going to be in tune in your body. You're going to feel refreshed. I don't care if it's 5 minutes a day. You don't have to go into some crazy long workout routines or whatever. Everybody can put in 5 minutes, and then it'll move to 10. Everybody can walk around the block. Everybody can get outside and throw a little sunshine on their face. Frankly, a couple other simple things you can do. Take a cold shower. This may sound crazy, but if you want to improve your health, there's amazing benefits to turning on a cold shower. You can start with 15 seconds on your face. Move to 30 seconds. You'll start to build up over time, and 3 or 4 days a week, if you'll take a cold shower, it's proven that it gives your body the same jolt as like cocaine does, but without the downside. You're gonna not just get up for a little bit. It has hours and hours of lasting effect just by taking a cold shower. 15 minutes of sun will improve your health. It's going to give you vitamin D, natural vitamin D into your body. That's going to improve your mindset. It's going to improve your attitude. It's also going to give you some peace of mind and help you relax a little bit just by getting out in the sun. So these are some things that we can do there that's going to help us. But feed your body with good foods. Sure, have a cheat day, but feed your body. Start being aware of what you're putting into your body. Take a portion of the plate and just throw it away. You're eating fast foods, quit supersizing. Get the smaller size. Go for tea that's unsweet. These are things that you can do immediately, that just a small change daily over a week and over a month and over a year. Eliminate sodas and move for something else. But if you'll do those things, it's going to make a big difference.